Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 7th of March 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames. Yesterday's market, we experienced kind of like a sideways trend, but today, early morning, we see a correction that is actually building lower highs in small time frames such as 240-minute chart. This is the daily chart. This is the situation. We already penetrate the lower areas located at 633.64. That is a minor support that is still trying to become kind of like a main or an important support for the price itself in order to fluctuate, create a sideways trend, consolidate, and why not try to break up in the short term and bring new buying patterns such as a higher low in the small time frames. However, the situation right now with the daily chart doesn't seem like hasn't changed unless the price tries to reach 530 and below that area. Then we have to create a different strategy, or we just basically have to wait for this correction to finalize and see if new potential lower highs in the small time frames will come along, or in the last case scenario, those uptrends trying to build new lower highs end up creating a long range candlestick or an uptrend with overextended movements that it can actually deny the previous retracement. But let's not get too confused with this. This is the daily chart. Price is still over the SMA 200. It's still showing us a bullish flag, a P formation, you name it. It's still bullish. It hasn't denied this more than 50%. So we still got possibilities for the price to bring opportunities during the day and in the next few sessions. This is the 12-hour chart. Again, it's a higher low. It has been denied. It didn't get active by the price itself. Instead, we see a retracement and a new double bottom tail. Right now, we need to wait for this particular candlestick to finalize in a few minutes, and then we make decisions based on what the message of this particular candlestick leave us during the day. After that, then we can start looking to the small time frames such as 240-minute chart. Look, once again, price is still riding the SMA 200. Now price is below the SMA 200. We see the minor support. It's trying to leave kind of like a tail. We might see price being absorbed by the buyers, and it might leave kind of like a long bottom tail. That could be something very good and very positive for the intentions of the buyers. But 60-minute chart could be the answer, or at least the early answer, if this move or if this correction don't succeed during the day. And what I'm trying to say here is this is overextended, as you can see. The next hour we might see a new uptrend from the buyers trying to deny this particular retracement. For that to happen, the price needs to reach more than 50%. Actually, I'll be very happy if I see over 60% of this previous retracement denied by the uptrend, which means we might see the price reaching this area, which is 655. If it goes over that area, that's actually quite very positive, and the next higher low in the 60-minute chart should try to push himself towards above 669.87, and that means the price will go back up on track above the SMA 200 and 240-minute chart, and we might see new opportunities during the day in that sense. Just keep an eye on it. Thank you for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.